Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. So, here we upload amazing and interesting facts related to technology, food, animals, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts. Also, share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting.
According to research, starting school at 10 am is better for your health. Cats sweat through their paws. Ancient Egyptians would shave off their eyebrows when their cats die. If you fell into a volcano, you would float on the lava instead of melting. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. In Singapore, when you turn 21, you're automatically registered as an organ donor. The original name of Windows was Interface Manager. 24 hours of video is uploaded to YouTube every minute. Mona Lisa has her own mailing box. New car smell is the scent of dozens of chemicals. Cheetahs were domesticated as house pets in ancient Egypt. The world's tallest tree wrapped in aluminium to protect it from wildfire. Armadillos have shells so hard that they can deflect a bullet. Due to lack of land in some places in Israel, they also cultivate on the walls. Only 5% of the ocean has been explored. NASA spent $12 billion for space pen while Russians used pencil. It's believed that roughly 97% of history has been lost over time. Completely natural horns of Angkor bulls. The word burrito means little donkey in Spanish. In 1945, the Tatas, Birlas, and Dalmias were the three richest families in Asia. Samsung's various business activities account. Gentoo penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. The penguin swims 8,000 kilometers every year just to meet the human who saved its life. Millions of birds a year die from smashing into windows in the US alone. A leech has 10 stomachs, 32 brains, 9 pair of testicles, and several hundred teeth. Many feet bones don't harden until you are an adult. Dad had only 6 months left. Son gave new life by donating his 65% of liver. More than 570 new websites are created every minute. There's a place in Iceland where green fields, a yellow river, a black beach, and blue sea all meet. The biggest fossil of a spider was found in China. It is 1 inch long and 165 million years old. Baffin Freya a 6-year-old child from Thailand is awarded as Miss Evening Glow. Tennis players can be fined up to $20,000 for swearing while playing at Wimbledon. You cannot snore and dream at the same time. The Louvre in Paris is so large that it would take 100 days to look at each piece. According to science, people who are always late are probably more creative. More than 53 million hours of music is streamed daily. A town in Iceland painted a crosswalk for drivers to notice it more. Donald Trump owns and operates around 18 golf courses around the world. Father built a wooden electric Lamborghini for his son in 65 days. It looks original and runs just fine. People that cuddle can become addicted to each other and experience symptoms similar to withdrawal when apart. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ron Wayne started Apple. The human heart beats more than 3 billion times in an average lifespan. Chris Evans injured his biceps in the scene where he stops the helicopter. Although Emma Watson is British, she was actually born in Paris, France on April 15, 1990. Blind people smile even though they have never seen anyone else smile. The credit card chip technology has been around since 1986. It was first used in France. Every minute, 7 babies are born in US, 32 in China, and 47 in India. The word sandwich was first used by an English nobleman, John Montague, in 1762 in London. A Korean yoga master once escaped prison by slipping through the 15 cm high, 45 cm wide hoop. In China, tech companies hiring programming cheerleaders. Your nose is always visible to you. Your mind ignores it through a process called unconscious selective attention. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.